students. Now we are going to discuss about Grignard reagent. It was represented by RMGX. Grignard reagent was discovered by Victor Grignard. For this achievement he got the Nobel Prize in 1912. We can easily prepare Grignard reagent. Synthesis of Grignard reagent is like this. Alkyl halide, whenever reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether, when we reflex magnesium metal with alkyl halide in ether catalyst, we will get Grignard reagent. Here R is alkyl group. It may be alkyl group, alkynyl, aryl or aralkyl. Halide is usually we are using chlorides and bromides. Rarely we are using iodides also. So this is about a Grignard reagent. So when we take CH3 here, Br here, methyl magnesium bromide, we called it as methyl magnesium bromide. And a lot of applications are there with Grignard reagent in organic chemistry. So we are going to see those. We see the applications: nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compounds, reaction with formaldehyde. First reaction is reaction with formaldehyde. It is the representation of formaldehyde. Whenever it reacts with Grignard reagent, this is a nucleophile which attacks at carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde. Pi bond polarizes towards more electronegative oxygen side. Then here minus charge is there, Mgx, this positive charge is connecting to oxygen atom. Then an intermediate is formed like this. It is oxygen Mgx. During hydrolysis of this intermediate compound, alcohol is formed. A byproduct is formed like this, and RCH2OH, primary alcohol we get. It is primary alcohol. CH2OH is there in primary alcohol. Simply, when Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde to form primary alcohol. If we take methyl here also methyl comes. So ethyl alcohol is produced when formaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium halide to form ethyl alcohol. Like that we can synthesize many of primary alcohols from formaldehyde. The second reaction is reaction with aldehyde. Reaction with aldehydes. Except formaldehyde, any aldehyde will give secondary alcohols. For example, it is an aldehyde, it is not formaldehyde. This aldehyde, when connects with the Grignard reagent, produces an intermediate like above. Hydrogen is there here. This is alkyl group, comes from Grignard reagent. During hydrolysis, R2CHOH, secondary alcohol is produced. If we take both the R groups are CH3s, if both the R groups are CH3s, then it is called as isopropyl alcohol. We will get isopropyl alcohol when both R groups are CH3s. Next, reaction with ketones. Ketone is another type of carbonyl compound. Reaction with ketones. Third one, reaction with, see, simply R minus attacks at carbonyl carbon in ketone. We get an intermediate compound like this. During hydrolysis, like above, we get tertiary alcohol. Carbon contains 3 alkyl groups like this. If all the alkyl groups are CH3s, then that is called as tertiary butyl alcohol. So you can do that example. So these are the nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compounds. The next application we are going to see, that is reaction with esters. Say for example it is 1, ABC, say for example 2. Reaction with carboxylic esters. Ester can be represented like this, RCOR. Say I am taking ethyl part here. This alkyl group may be ethyl, methyl, or whatever it is. When reacts with Grignard reagent, R minus attack here, then Br, OET and R. When bond comes like this, usually electron pair comes like this, positive charge comes. After that MgBr removes as Mg plus, OET removes as OET minus, and a byproduct is formed like MgBr OET. So no need to remember all the byproducts during these reactions. So finally ketone is formed. If we take excess of Grignard reagent, tertiary alcohol is formed like this. So if we cannot take excess Grignard reagent, the reaction stops at ketone only. The next reaction is when acid chloride reacts with Grignard reagent, R minus attacks at carbon and intermediate is formed like this. When bond comes and form double bond here, Cl loses and byproduct is, we know, MgHCl, ketone is formed. Again the point is common. If we take excess of Grignard reagent, tertiary alcohol is produced. And reaction with anhydrides. Anhydrides are formed by losing of water from carboxylic acids. Anhydrides can be represented as like this. Whenever it is reacting with Grignard reagent, I am writing simply, the reaction is usually takes place like this, but for our convenience I write direct step in a trickwise manner. So R comes and attack here, RCOO, or ketone is formed again. And next one, reaction with HCN, reaction with hydrogen cyanide. See, Grignard reagent whenever reacts with hydrogen cyanide, R minus come and attack here. So the intermediate formed like this, RCH double bond N, MgX is connecting here. During hydrolysis, bond cleavage takes place, and simply I write O here, H, H, here H, OH. So carbonyl compound is here, particularly aldehyde is formed. The point is, Grignard reagent when reacts with hydrogen cyanide to form aldehyde. So when we take methyl here, methyl group, here CH3 is as methyl group, then acetaldehyde is formed, ethanol is formed during this reaction. The next reaction is reaction with RCN. The same reaction, above reaction I am writing, R I am taking instead of hydrogen, minus come and attack here, MgX, simply water molecule dissociates like this, and HOH attacking or dissociating and attacking like this to form, these are the byproducts, ammonia, MgXOH, these are the byproducts. Finally ketone is formed. Here again the point is, when Grignard reagent reacts with RCN to form ketones, and next reaction is reaction with active hydrogens. It is Grignard reagent. Here R minus carbon ion is present in Grignard reagent. In all these, H plus ion is removal of H plus ion takes place. H plus ion, which is removing from these substances and attacking at R minus and form alkane. In all these reactions, alkane is formed. The remaining one is byproduct, you know well, MgX. The next the remaining portion of substance after losing H plus ion, OH is there, MgX, NHR is there, like that. You can write simply. So the point is, when Grignard reagent reacts with active hydrogen containing substances, alkane is formed. And the last reaction is reaction with carbon dioxide. When Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide, R minus attacks at carbon, MgX attacking here, OMgX is formed. During hydrolysis, OHH is formed. So carboxylic acid is formed. When Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide to form carboxylic acid. So these are the applications of Grignard reagent. Thank you.